This video covers the arpeggio for the chord F minor. The key of F minor has 4 flats. It's the relative minor to A flat major. So as you're doing these scales and arpeggios for A flat major, go ahead and do them for F minor also. So you're doing the whole key signature, everything. The fingering for it is in the right hand. It's here. Second finger on the F A flat. In the left hand, it's the 4th finger on the A flat. Here. And again, beginner level, do the tremolo exercise, 1 note per beat, up and down 1 octave. This helps to drill the spacing, the fingerings, the feeling of this arpeggio into your hand, the chord. For you get the idea of then go ahead and do the arpeggio up just 1 octave. Just make sure you're accenting and dropping the wrist. This is, I can't stress it enough. You may, oh, I don't need to do that, I'll just play it. Yes, you do need to do it. It will make a difference, it really will. So please accent and drop the wrist on these notes. Now for the intermediate level, then we do the beginner level stuff, plus we're going to go 2 octaves. So on the tremolo exercise, it's 1 note per beat like we did the beginner. And then once you go up and down 1 octave at that, then 2 notes per beat, go up and down 2 octaves. Here. The whole thing, and then do the actual arpeggio, 1 octave, 1 note per beat, 2 octaves, 2 notes per beat, like so. So keep it slow, don't speed this up. Now for the advanced level, we do the beginner and intermediate level stuff. Plus we go 3 and 4 octaves at 3 and 4 notes per beat. Then we also do the parallel like we've been doing and the contrary. Now start with, you can go ahead and just come down below middle C here. You can start here if you want. You can start here if you want, but I find the notes down here get muddy. So we don't want to get too low, so let's tip it up here. The problem is it gets to be too high if you but you can start. 2 notes per beat. Make sure you accent and drop the wrist on the beats. 3 notes. And then 4 notes. Then do the pattern. And make sure everything's connected, everything's legato. Then do the inversions. First inversion, you're going to keep the same fingering, so we're going to use right foot here. But now you need to go down here, because now we're just too high. It's too high up. Go down here. And so it's the same pattern. It's just 4th finger here. And the parallel and contrary and the whole bit. And then second version. Well, second version, these are the fingers you're using, so and come down here. It's octave below, and it's you get the idea. The contrary and parallel and the whole bit.